Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways to check the number. We can do it via the secret code and by using the settings. Let's start with the secret code. We have to open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter the code, and the code is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way. As I said, by using the settings, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. Let's enter the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to About Phone. And now let's scroll down again to find the device details, and as you can see, the IMEI numbers for both SIM slots are right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.